Hi, my name is Shaheen. I own a business called The Mehndi Parlour and I do makeup as a profession. Today we will be demonstrating for you a live demonstration of makeup on our model Ikra. Just going to apply this Huda Beauty primer all over the face to make the base even. You've got lovely skin, Ikra. Once we've done with this, we'll start on the brows first and we'll carve out the brows, but she's got pretty good brows, so we won't need to do much to them. Just open your eyes. We'll be using the MAC Eyebrow Styler Crayon in colour Spiked. I'm just going to brush her brows before I apply the product. And then I'm just going to outline her brows, but I don't need to do much because she's got pretty good brows anyway. I'm just going to extend the brow as well. You want to keep them natural as possible, so you do small streaks. Okay, and then just the other brow. And again, extending it towards the end. And just outlining the natural shape of the brow. Okay, so once we've applied the product, just go back in and comb through the product so that it's less sharp. Next I'll be using the concealer. So this is a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade light to medium. So I'm just carving out the brow. And then just any of the excess, pulling it down onto the eyelid. And then going over the eyelid with the excess. Making sure every bit's covered. And then patting it to make sure it's set on the lid. When you're working in the eye area, always raise the brow with your finger so that you can really get into all of the eyelid and all of the creases. I'm going to use a sponge here just to set it some more before I apply any product. We're using the MAC Mineralized Finish Powder in shade Medium Deep. So you just go underneath the eyebrow in small circular motions. Next, I'm going in with the next shade. I'll be using the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette for this look, because we're going for sort of a brown, natural gold look. And I'll be using shade Cayenne in this one. I'm just lifting the brow again, and underneath where I've just applied the transition colour, in the pocket of the eyelid, I'm just applying this again in small circular motions to blend it in. And again on the other side, lift the brow and just follow the natural shape. Okay. I'm going to cut a crease now, so I'm going to be using Shape Tape again to carve out. So just put some product on the back of my hand. We're just carving out the natural shape of her eyelid. And again on this side. Okay, we'll set this with, and we will use the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions with one of the sort of bronzy colours. So just setting where you've creased with that shimmer. Set exactly on the eyelid and then going in and doing the same on the other eye. So this is Inglot's pigment and it's a pure pigment eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply this on top of where I've already applied the eyeshadow, just for some extra sparkle. I love pigment. Next I'm going to do the eyeliner, and I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Drama waterproof eyeliner. So again, lifting the brow, start in the inner corner and just line out where the line is going to go. I'm going to use the Clinique True Black Brush On Cream Liner just on top of the liquid liner that I've just used, using a 209 MAC brush. We're going for a winged look today. Eyeshadow's done. Now we're going to concentrate on the base, starting with colour correcting dark circles around the lip and any areas that are dark. Really, it's just around the lips here and then the dark circles. To colour correct our eyes, we're going to be using the orange Revolution Conceal and Correct corrector. We're just going to apply that under the eyes where the dark circles are. And I'm just going to buff it in so that it's not wet, so we can apply concealer over the top of it. But as you can see, what this does is gets rid of all the dark circles and makes the face an even colour before you apply foundation. Use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in shade Dulce de Leche. And we're just going to be using the Real Techniques buffing brush to blend the foundation into the face. We blend it down into the chin and neck area so that it all blends in and matches. And your foundation basically should always match your skin colour. It shouldn't be that your neck and your chest is a different colour to your face. We use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Graham Cracker. So with your concealer, it's always a shade lighter than your foundation. Inside. We contoured the face using the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick Matchstick in Mocha. So we're going to contour the face. So we start at the highest point of the cheek and then just a line down, and again highest point and a line down. I'm going to use the Real Techniques contour brush to blend all that in. So I'm putting Banana Bread, Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Powder in Banana Bread, just to set under the eyes. I'm going to put it at the high point of the forehead, just down the nose, the lip and the chin area. I'm just going to take a blusher brush and the MAC Mineralize in Medium Deep that we used earlier on. I'm just going to use that on the cheeks, just above where we've contoured as well. And then to warm up the face, again at the highest points and the lowest points. I'm going to use a blusher, and it's a MAC blusher in Pleasure Model. It's from one of their Christmas collections a couple of years ago. Smile again. And just on the apples of the cheeks going up. Okay, Going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. So just above the cheeks, apply highlighter, and then just above the brows, blend that all in. And I'm using a fan brush, it's just a Real Techniques fan brush. And then the other side, same again. So we're using a Sephora lip pencil to line the lips, and we're going for a nude colour, nudie pink, I'd say. So I'm just going to outline the lips, but also colour them in. So we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade Trophy White.